The family of late Uwaila Omozuwa, wey bad people rape and kill for Benin City, dey cry for help as bad people dey threaten their life. The papa of Uwaila, Joseph Omozuwa, tell tori people say person wey him no know call am through him friend and dem threaten am well well.
As I was sitting with my friend, we were a lot of 5 people sitting outside here, a sympathizer. My friend received a call. Mr. Ihama is the name. He said, warn your friend for his utterances. Warn your friend. He called the call. My friend had called Hanuba. Which of my friends? He said, I said, you should warn your friend for his utterances. I'm calling on the Commissioner of Police, the AIG Zone 5, the IG, the President of Federal Republic of Nigeria, that they should come to my rescue in the hands of the enemy for my life and my family's life.
I work with my friend, Mr. Johnson Omozuwa, that lost his daughter. Suddenly, my phone rang at about 9. I quickly rushed down to go and receive the call. Suddenly, somebody just started threatening that I should warn my friend that I'm with. Warn him. Warn him. I said, which of my friend? Who is this speaking? He cut off the line.
Edo State Police Command sef put mouth for the matter.
Talking about the issue of late Miss Vera Uwaila Omozuwa, the command has successfully transferred the case to Force CID Abuja, and as we speak, investigation continues. And I tell you that yes, I know that we have very good officers and men there in that department cooperating with the men of the Edo State Police Command to ensure that justice is served. That's our prayer. And I tell you that in due course, we all shall celebrate this victory.
This one are the ogbonge information they carry come give una on top inside Edo today. As the family of late Uwaila Omozuwa, they cry for help as bad people they threaten their life. Make una sabi say na TMC TV. Na they carry this ogbonge information they come give una. And my name na Edo Gogo Edolei.